How to redeem Apple gift card. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can redeem an Apple gift card. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. So first of all, what you'll need to do is open up your App Store. So search for App Store on your device and then open it up. After you've done that, tap on the top right icon, that is your profile icon. And after you've done that, you should see these options. You'll also see an option that says redeem gift card or code. It's written in blue. So all you have to do is tap on that. After you tap on redeem, it'll take you to this page right here. Now there are two options you can use to redeem that card. First is by using a camera. You can use the camera to simply scan the card and simply redeem your gift card. The other is you can enter your code manually as well. So let's tap on you can also enter your code manually. And now all you have to do is type in the code here and then tap on redeem. And then you're good to go. And that's how you can redeem an Apple gift card. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video down below and stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos. Bye bye and take care.